大家好 Welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class. In the previous lessons, we learned the first two types of subject-predicate sentences, which they use either a verb or an adjective as the predicate in the sentence. And today we're going to learn the third type of subject-predicate sentences, which is called nominal predicate sentences. Here, in this structure, they use a noun instead of a verb or an adjective as the predicate. So let's take a look at the example sentences. This structure is especially for describing time, age, price, and identity. You don't need to be like 是 again. Today is a Friday. 今天星期五今天 today, which is a noun and the subject. And 星期五 is also a noun and is the predicate here. So that's why it's called a noun as the predicate or nominal predicate sentence structure. But notice that if you say 今天是星期五, you add to be, it's also okay, right? It means you just want to emphasize. But without to be is perfectly fine, and it is actually more commonly used because it's simplified, right? He is 20 years old. 他20岁. He, which is the subject, 20岁, 20 years old. So here we talk about age, right? 20 years old is another noun or number, numeral noun. And then one noun connects with another noun, right? Subject, predicate. Next one. Tomorrow is the Spring Festival. This is a very famous, or I would say the most important Chinese festival. 明天春节. 明天 tomorrow, which is a noun and the subject of the sentence. 春节 Spring Festival. It is another noun and also the predicate of the sentence, right? So here in this structure, you just remember we use a noun as the predicate. He is from Shanghai, or he is a Shanghainese or Shanghai person. 他上海人, right? 他 is he, 上海人, Shanghai people or Shanghai person. You see, one noun as the subject, the other noun as the predicate. Therefore, some beginners, right, or Chinese learners may feel confused. Why they say 他是上海人, but sometimes they say 他上海人. Yeah. Sometimes they use to be, sometimes they don't use it. Because this is the structure that is commonly used. So you can add a to be or omit the to be. This watch is 300 yuan. 这块手表300元. Here we are talking about price, right? 这块手表, this is a noun phrase, like this watch. As the subject, 300元 is the price, 300 yuan. Yuan is the Chinese currency. So 300元 is the other noun as the predicate. Next one, I'm 10 years old. 我10岁. 我 is I, the subject. The other noun, 10岁, 10 years old, as the predicate. Right? That's why it is extremely important to learn the sentence structure. So whenever you see a Chinese sentence, not only can you understand, but you can also analyze the structure. Then you will be able to make your own sentences, right? So learn systematically. Your efforts will pay off, right? Because you have a bigger picture of the whole language system. Then you will not be confused by the sentences you see. It is 10 o'clock now. 现在10点. 现在 now, which is a noun and the subject. 10点 10 o'clock. it is the predicate and the other noun, right? Because today we're talking about nominal predicate sentence structure. Next one, today is a sunny day. 今天晴天。今天 today, a noun as the subject. 晴天 sunny day. The other noun as the predicate. That boy has blue eyes. 那个男孩蓝眼睛。That boy, the noun phrase as the subject. 蓝眼睛 blue eyes. The other noun phrase as the predicate. So yeah, literally, it's like that boy, blue eyes. You don't need to add any connector or linking verb. Therefore, Chinese is actually very simplified, right, and logical. If you understand the structure. He is 1 meter 80 tall. Okay, like 1.8 meters. 他1米8. 他 is he, the subject. 1米8, 1.8 meters, like 1 meter 80, right? And this noun phrase is the predicate. All right, guys. Okay, there are two more. My Chinese zodiac sign is the ox. 我属牛我属牛. It's like 我 is the subject, 属牛 is the noun, like the zodiac. 牛 is the ox. In the Chinese culture, we divide like every 12 years. We set it as one cycle. And we use an animal, a specific animal to represent each year. Therefore, you may hear Chinese people say that he was born in the year of the rabbit, or the year of the ox, or the year of the rooster, right? And well, this is a cultural thing. For me, personally, I was born in 1987, which is the year of the rabbit. So I consider myself a rabbit. Well, a rabbit is very cute, right? Why not? I like rabbits. So this is a cultural thing. When you chat with Chinese people, you can definitely talk about this. Next one, this book is mine. 这本书我的这本书 the noun phrase, this book as the subject, 我的 like mine, and the other noun as the predicate. Okay. So guys, I give you a lot of example sentences because I want you to be very familiar with this structure, so that whenever you see a similar sentence, you can identify the structure, why they are written or spoken in this way, right? So practice. You can read and learn these sentences, or even make your own sentences, right? That's it for this lesson, and see you next time. 再见。